Good morning, everybody. So it's 1 o'clock, not good morning, good afternoon, and we are going to look for some house because we have to move from this house. Like, we are going to leave this house because I am looking for a house with balcony, and my house is not having any balcony or any kind of where I can go and stand in the evening. So I prefer houses with balcony. I'm going to search for some house because here you have to contact the agents. Like in Dubai, they have the agent system for all the house search and shop search. You have to go to the agents first and they will tell you about the vacant houses. So yes, let's go and see. We'll be going to some of the buildings nearby. Let's go and see if we find one today because we have to shift like on 20th of April or 21st of April. So little less time is left, but let's go and search for it. Okay, so first house is building number 15. Let's go and see. We have already contacted. We have already seen this house. So we have already seen this house, no? नहीं अच्छा वो दूसरी building में. Okay. Let me show you the house now. Okay, this is the washroom. And we have got 8 almirahs here. 4, sorry. It's the same style for every house, and we have a balcony. Let's see what view we get. अच्छा look, धूप देखो इस पे कितनी आ रही है. So we have one view here. Pretty good. सूरज कहाँ से उगता है? Okay. And then one view is here. Both are different roads, and this would be the room. This is the complete balcony. Very nice, yaar. What about the almirahs? Oh, ये वाली है almirahs. My God, this is such a nonsense almirah with all the blocks. कौन सी है? ये भी
अच्छी बात है ना तुम्हारे लिए.
यहाँ पे.
ये पॉइंट जो है ना, ये लाइन.
हाँ.
This is your entry. So ये north east हुआ ना.
I'll make my room here. And I'll shoot my videos. तो मेरे को दोनों तरफ से लाइट आएगी इधर. I don't want garbage room right in front. Look at this. Lights जलती होंगी ना. See, everybody is so particular about vastu and all. Let's go and see some other house. I don't want garbage room right in front. Second house. नाइस व्यू है ना.
ये तुम्हारा वो सरवना के सामने बगल है.
हाँ, जो पीछे से बस चलती है, राइट.
सामने बलबतुल्ला गेट भी दिखता है.
हाँ, अब द स्काईलाइन वहाँ पे पूरा रात को बत्तियाँ जलेंगी, बड़ा मस्त लगेगा ये. और नीचे मेरा गार्डन है. सुबह सुबह उठ के चाय पियो, नीचे सारे फ्लावर्स लगे हुए हैं, गार्डन है. एंड दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ पाथ फॉर अस. And this is the balcony, and this is the room. And the kitchen here, almost the same kitchen everywhere. Oh my God, ये सारा टूटा फूटा पड़ा है. And this is the complete view. I have a balcony right in front instead of the window. So now going to look for third house because I have this skyline right in front. So I'm looking for a house where I can get the skyline view from my balcony, and in the night it would look very good because all the skyline would be light up and all the sand and everything would look perfect. So we are going to the third building now. Let's go and see if we can find the perfect house. Sunday is going to get wasted in this.
Wasted नहीं, invested.
Invested. Abhishek, invested क्यों है? Tell me.
You are spending your time. You are not wasting.
Obviously, we are wasting our time. We could have done something good on Sunday. We could have gone for a mall. Oh my God, this got idiot. Abhishek is still outside and the lift got closed. I don't know where we have to go. Let's go. I don't want this. No, it's not good. Let's go back. I don't want this open kitchen. नहीं, not good. Look at the lightning in the corridor. How can somebody live here? कितनी negativity लग रही है. Please, don't start now.
Romantic.
Romantic कहते हैं इसे. Look at the lightning that these people have in the corridor. And Abhishek is saying ये romantic है. This is romantic ambience.
शाम के वक्त में दारू पीते हुए तो मैं जब ऐसी लाइटिंग नहीं होती तो बोलते यार लाइट जला दो, आज कैंडल लाइट करेंगे. अभी मिल रही है फ्री में तो तुम्हें वो पसंद नहीं आ रही है ना.
Okay, one more to go. In the romantic ambience. Ambience. My English is very bad. And he keeps on correcting my English every time and I get irritated. Okay, look at this, what these people are doing. This is so cute. Oh wow, look at the view. This is the view right outside our house. And we have again the garbage house right in.
जितने भी से अभी तक शिफ्ट भी नहीं किया मैंने.
तो ऐसे कैसे दिखा रहा है when they have not shifted even? Oh my God, लोगों ने बालकनी को जंगल बना के रखा है. Look at this. So these people haven't yet shifted from this house. You can see the skyline. Oh my God! At the view from my balcony.
इसमें सिर्फ सुबह की धूप आएगी.
This is so cool. ज़्यादा मुझे यही वाला चाहिए. I love this one.
और इसकी बालकनी में टेढ़ी.
But what these people have done to the balcony यार, जिसको कदर ही नहीं है लोगों को.
तो इन्होंने ग्रीन बनाया और क्या.
What kind of green is this? Wow यार, I love the view Jano. I have the skyline and I have this main road. But we don't have the access to bus here. So we always tend to get thirsty and hungry while doing something. I have got a mango shake for me. Mango flavored milk, not mango shake. Still a better option जो यहाँ पे देखा, क्योंकि यहाँ से तुम्हें सिर्फ सीधा वॉक करना है बस के लिए. And you are getting a view उधर का भी प्लस इधर रुक. हाँ, तो दो व्यूज हो गए ना यार. लेकिन यहाँ से कितना वॉक करना पड़ेगा अपने को. Why should I go for so much distance of walking? Why should we go for so long distance of walking?
Such long distance.
Such long distance of walking. See, he doesn't let me vlog. That's why I don't vlog in front of him. He keeps on, correcting my English every time. So what if I say a wrong English word?
Incorrect English.
Then
Say incorrect words.
Achha, you say incorrect words in English. See?
Word is wrong. A wrong word means that it does not have a meaning. But whatever you say does have a meaning. Just that it's incorrect usage.
This is what we saw right in front.
This is the one we saw.
This one was the one right before the garden.
But then this will not. This is giving you Ibn Battuta ka view, but
उधर Ibn Battuta का view में वाला है. So much of confusion is there.
तो अभी तक हमें किल्बी वाला सबसे सही लगा.
किल्बी वाला, जिसमें बालकनी भी सही है, रोड व्यूज भी हैं दोनों के, प्लस इजी एक्सेस टू बस है.
Correct.
One is finalized. We are looking.
But shortlisted.
One is shortlisted, not finalized. You just watch him correcting my English today. Just watch him correcting my English. He won't let me vlog today.
तो अच्छी बात है ना.
Every time I start a vlog in front of him, he is like, ऐसे नहीं बेटा, ऐसे, not like this baby, like this.
He's a good guide, man.
Such a creep. अच्छा, open this bottle. I'm vlogging. I can't open. चलो, मेरा हो गया बैटरी, full हो गया. Okay, switching to my iPhone now. If you can't go for the gymming session, then you can just watch the gym right outside your building and you'll get thinner. You'll lose all your fat. This is what Abhishek Baba is saying.
डोंट वरी, तुम्हें किडनैप करके नहीं ले जाऊंगी, जब तक ले जाए सही है।
मुझे किडनैप करके अब इसको क्या मिलेगा? वेरी हॉट इन हियर, समर्स हैव ऑलरेडी कम इन दुबई, very bad weather, very bad. You can't go out of your house in the daytime, not at all. And we are on the search for our house. I don't know why in the daytime.
इसको ये किया
Oh God, ये सब क्या है?
नहीं, ये शेड्यूल ये वेकेटेड तो
ये कौन मेंटेन करता है?
हम लोग नीचे का ऑफिस
एस्टेको का नहीं है ये?
नहीं
Oh, look at the view.
ये सामने अपनी बिल्डिंग है।
कौन सी?
तो
Look at the view. One more house rejected because of the triangular balcony. You'll keep on doing the drama every time, right? Smoke कर रहे हैं, कोई तो कर रहा है. Okay, so we are back on the vlog. We came back home at 4 o'clock or something, and I just sat to edit my vlog. We have come again. We have shortlisted 2 of the houses, and we have come again to look at them for the final time, so that we can finalize one of it. Let's go and see. I'll show you both the houses. You let me know in the comments which house is good or which house is better. We are okay with both the houses, but one of the house I prefer more because of the bus access. So let's go and see. 2 shortlisted out of 10. 10 we saw 10, no? So we saw 10 empty apartments, and we have shortlisted only 2. Some had problems of like open kitchen, some had problem of like very small balcony. Abhishek is talking to the agent so that he can come and show us the house once again. So this is the first house that we have shortlisted, obviously because of the view, the desert and the roads and everything. We just came to look once again that how the view is, what view we are getting at night, and that's the skyline there, and this is the main road, the connecting road. So now going to see the direction for entry, obviously because of the Vastu reason. I'm very particular with the
South
entries. South से entry है. South entry. It's not good for your house. South entry is not good.
बस सुबह सुबह धूप पड़ेगी।
And south entry means that when you are entering from the door, like if I have the door right behind me, then if I'm entering, then this direction should not be south. So yes, I am entering from south and I'm facing north while I'm entering my house. So you should not do the south entry. And Abhishek, are we going to buy it?
पता नहीं, तुम्हारे ड्रामे करूँगा तब तो।
You like the view, na?
मुझे तो अच्छा लग रहा है।
He is in love with this view. I'm stuck between Abhishek and Vastu. So everything is perfect except the Vastu. Now we are going for another shortlisted house. It's a very tough job to find a perfect house. And the corridors, I don't know why they are not lit up. Why the corridors are not lit up, Jana? तुम्हारा romantic ambience. So we have come for the second house. Have light here.
Bigger बात है।
Then that one.
हाँ। अब
So
यहाँ
this is the view.
यहाँ थोड़ा हवा की प्रॉब्लम।
This is the view. We have the shops outside.